In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the pure fun 7ft Kids Trampoline with Enclosure. In the box, you will find the Enclosure netting, 3 horizontal tube foams, the longest foams of the set, your hardware and 36 springs, 6 straight frame tubes, these will be the smallest of all of them, and 6 curved frame tube foams. 6 plastic vertical leg extensions, 3 plastic horizontal leg bases, 6 plastic flat plates, 3 horizontal tubes, 6 top rails, 6 corner top rails, 6 vertical leg extensions, 6 curved frame tubes, 6 straight frame tubes, and the jump mat and frame pad. Connect the plastic flat plates to the bottom of all vertical extensions. Insert 2 vertical leg extensions at both openings of the plastic horizontal base. Slide 2 plastic vertical leg extensions onto the leg extension tubes. At the top, put a corner top rail and align the openings. Once the corner tops have been installed, slide in the frame top rails. Make sure that the openings of the top rails are facing up. Continue to do this until all top rails have been connected, completing the trampoline frame. Install the frame tubes into the corner top rails and align the openings. Secure the straight frame tubes with the hardware provided. Make sure all hardware is tightened and secured before proceeding to putting on the jump mat. Place the frame pad and jump mat in the middle of the trampoline and align each loop to their corresponding frame tubes. Begin installing all the springs onto the top rail of the trampoline. To avoid the frame pad from sliding, use the elastic ribbons attached to the frame pad and connecting to the top rail. Place 6 straight frame tubes. Once they have been slided over, place 1 curved frame tube onto each straight frame tube. Make sure that all the curbs are aligned to the center of the trampoline and slide the foams. In the next step, you will be placing the enclosure netting onto the trampoline. Make sure that the snap buckle is facing the outside. Slide the enclosure all the way down until both frame pads are touching. Slide the horizontal tube foam onto the horizontal tube. You should have 3 completed pieces to install at the top of the enclosure. In the enclosure netting, there will be 3 pockets that the horizontal tubes must be slided into. Once placed in the pockets, simply attach the horizontal tubes to the curved tubes to install the whole enclosure. Make sure that all tubing and foams are slided in properly and securely. Once the enclosure has been placed, use all elastic ribbons to tighten the enclosure onto the top rail. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.